Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video, I will show you how to fix invalid destination address on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, suggest swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down. Scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. If you want to fix this problem, so scroll down and click on messages app from here. Click on messages app. Click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so click on clear cache. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset and enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix invalid destination address on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.